Stay tuned to see how I achieve this bomb look. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to show you how I achieved this bomb look using clip-ins from OUTRE's Big Beautiful Hair collection. I am absolutely obsessed with these clip-ins. Like, this texture, absolutely love it. Now, natural community, don't come for your girl, but there is oftentimes a lot of negative talk about the 4C hair community from the 4C hair community and from others. However, I love that 4C hair look. And this is giving me that vibe, and I'm loving it, okay? I'm here for it. So again, this is the OUTRE Big Beautiful Hair Clip-Ins. This is the 4C Corkscrew Afro. This is in the color 2T1B 2730. So these clip-ins come with one 12-inch weft, one 10-inch weft, one 8-inch weft, one 7-inch weft, one 5-inch weft, and then 4 3-inch wefts. So it comes with a total of 9 pieces. And again, I'm obsessed. Like, big, beautiful hair, the color, the texture. I mean, who is she? Who is she? Loving it. So let me give you a quick 360, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to get this look. So keep on watching. Obsessed. Before we start, can we get into these bomb earrings? From none other than Naturally Unique by SOS. I will link her information in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I'll also leave a link where you can purchase these beautiful clip-ins in the description box and any of the products that I use. Actually, I used one product, and that was the EBIN New York 24-hour edge tamer, which is definitely my favorite edge tamer. I do have a discount code that I'll put up above, and I'll link in the description box below. So make sure you check that description box out for other discount codes as well. So let's get into this video. y'all again. I am completely obsessed with these results. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these results. If you would try these clip-ins and what you think about this color. I do have another set of clip-ins. Won't tell you which color it is, so you have to stay tuned for that. But be on the lookout for that video as well. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please, 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 please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.